Schneider leads them. Second place, Eric Pearson. Third place, Ross Lamont. Fourth place, Rich Schinderling.
As they work these figure eights, 4 out of the last 5 races have won by the 26 of Nick Schneider, who's in the 51 here today. And he talked about if he gets 5 in a row, he ties his dad, Tom Schneider, who was a 6-time champion for figure eights. And in lap number 1, it's Armato in that 26X out front.
As Schinderling burning it up all over the place. See the smoke coming off that 70X car. But here comes Nick Schneider. Schinderling on the outside of Cody Armato. And it's going to be Schneider on the inside. Nope, he's tucking it right behind. He's tucking it right behind Armato.
That's a third car that Rich Schinderling has been in here tonight.
Wow, triple duty there, Eric.
Yeah, triple down.
Armato hanging on with Schinderling and Schneider right next to him.
Is there favoritism there in that 26X? Is he helping him out, the 51?
I don't know, but I know they're teammates.
Yeah, that's a buddy system.
We'll see what Schinderling can do here as he drops back to third.
Definitely smoking from the rear. Eric Pearson in this 5E, that old car. It's got to feel weird from him while he's in his new one.
Schneider almost went sideways. Schinderling give him a little bump. Schneider looking to the outside of Armato as they are teammates. Here comes Schinderling to look to the whatever's outside of Schneider.
Yeah, it's an inside-outside super turn. One time you're on the inside, the next time you're on the outside.
Try to say that. Let's try to say that fast 3 times. Schinderling, Schneider, they are side by
Oh,
side.
look at him up!
And Pearson slides right by as they are hooked up.
And that's the old 5E, that old smoker car. He knows that car like the back of his, because he sold it.
Schinderling looks like he's got a lot of smoke coming out of the front end of that 70X car. But Pearson Pearson's getting hit back by Schinderling.
These figure eights are getting excited down here.
As Armato's hanging on.
Eric Pearson's second in the points.
Pearson looked pretty good coming out of that turn. Pearson looking to Armato's outside this time. Schneider looking to Schinderling's outside this time as well.
That wild child giving every bit that he can. Went all the way from third, all the way to the back. But it's that 26 of Armato that just won't give it up.
Schinderling back at it, almost past Pearson. It's Schneider and Schinderling going back at it again.
Off the grass and dirt he goes.
This is going to be Schinderling. Schneider not driving his car.
1 to go.
I think Schneider might be working on Rowdy Kyle Rush's car at the end of the race there, Eric.
Oh, I love it. Look at these guys driving so hard. All right there is Schinderling in that dirt again.
What's going to happen? Who's going to do it? Is it going to be Armato? Pearson? Who's it going to be?
Oh, look at that in the chicane. There's your checkered finish.
I don't even know who won.
I don't either.
We have no.
The only one that knows is Jeff Stringer down there, the flag man. Wow.
It was either Pearson in the 5 or Armato in the
26X, yeah.
Who won?
Well, if it's Eric Pearson, he definitely needed that win.
We just got the word in, Eric. The official word, the 5 of Eric Pearson pulls off a comebacker and wins the figure 8. Oh, my God.
Photo finish, too. That's how you end it out here, right?
So it was the 5E, the 26X, the 70, and the 51. That is our official final finish. Wow. That was wild and crazy, Eric. And that will be our last race of the night. Race fans, we need to give a big round of applause for the driver of the 5E cars. That was crazy on the last lap in the last turn, a drag race. Let's give it up. It's the 5E of, is he going to get out?
Out of Beloit, Wisconsin.
Maybe he's going to get out. Let's see.
In his old car.
Maybe not. He's going to get out. It's Eric Pearson. Rockford Speedway fans, remember the Miller Lite Pavilion. We will be having karaoke, so you're going to have some tunes in there. The pits will open up immediately following once we get Pearson's car and everybody else's car off.